Hey there! Are you curious about what makes a home truly irresistible in today's market? Whether you're planning to sell, buy, or simply dreaming of your perfect home, knowing the top features buyers are looking for is a game changer. From energy-efficient designs to lifestyle-enhancing amenities, the modern buyer has some clear favorites. Join us as we explore the top 10 must-have features that are setting the standard for dream homes in 2024. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. Energy efficiency, saving money and the planet. Let's talk about something every buyer loves: energy efficiency. Imagine owning a home that saves you money while also helping the planet. Sounds like a win-win, right? Energy-efficient features are no longer just a nice-to-have, they're a must-have for modern buyers. Think of solar panels, insulated windows, and energy-saving appliances. These aren't just about cutting utility bills, they're about creating a home that's comfortable, eco-friendly, and future-proof. Picture this. Your house stays cozy in the winter and cool in the summer without your AC or heater going into overdrive. How? With smart insulation and those amazing double-pane windows that lock in the temperature. Oh, and let's not forget LED lighting. It's not just about saving energy, it also lasts forever, meaning fewer trips to the store for replacements. Buyers love walking into a home and seeing these thoughtful upgrades because they know they're stepping into a space that works for them and the planet. Now here's the cool part. Energy-efficient homes aren't just about what's inside. Features like solar-powered garden lights or smart irrigation systems that save water make the outdoors just as impressive. These additions are practical, yes, but they also give your home a touch of high-tech charm. It's like living in the future where sustainability meets style. If you're selling or upgrading, investing in energy efficiency is one of the smartest moves you can make. Buyers instantly notice the difference, and honestly, who wouldn't want to save money and help the environment at the same time? Energy efficiency isn't just trendy, it's the new standard, and trust me, it's here to stay. Smart home technology convenience at your fingertips. Imagine walking into your home and having the lights switch on automatically, your favorite music playing, and the thermostat set to your perfect temperature. Sounds like magic, right? That's the power of smart home technology, and it's something buyers can't get enough of. These features aren't just about gadgets. They're about making life easier, more secure, and yes, way more fun. Let's dive into why this tech is such a game changer. Think about being able to control your home from your phone or even just your voice. Whether it's a smart lock that lets you check if the door is secure or a smart fridge that reminds you to buy milk, this kind of convenience is what buyers dream about. And the best part? These systems are designed to be intuitive, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to use them. What's really cool is how this tech works together. Picture this. You say good night and your home responds by dimming the lights, locking the doors, and adjusting the thermostat for a cozy sleep. It's like living in a sci-fi movie, but it's happening now. Buyers love knowing that they can customize their home experience and make their lives more efficient at the same time. At the end of the day, smart home technology isn't just about fancy features, it's about how it transforms the way we live. It saves time, adds security, and even makes your home more energy efficient. Plus, let's be honest, who doesn't want to impress their friends by showing off a house that practically runs itself? It's the future, and buyers are ready to embrace it. Open floor plans redefining space. Let's paint a picture for a moment. You walk into a home and instead of tight, boxed-in rooms, you're greeted by a bright, airy space where the living room flows seamlessly into the kitchen and dining area. Feels inviting, doesn't it? That's the magic of an open floor plan, and it's one of the most sought-after features for today's buyers. It's all about maximizing space and creating a home that feels both modern and welcoming. What makes open layouts so irresistible is their versatility. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, keeping an eye on the kids while cooking, or just enjoying the extra breathing room, it adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. These spaces allow light to travel freely, making everything feel bigger and brighter. Buyers love how open plans make even a smaller home feel expansive and alive. And here's the beauty of it. You get the freedom to style it your way. Without walls breaking up the space, your options for arranging furniture and decor are endless. You can create cozy corners or go bold with statement pieces that tie the whole area together. It's like having a blank canvas where you can design your dream setup, and honestly, who doesn't want that kind of creative freedom? But the real charm of open floor plans is how they bring people together. Whether it's family bonding over meals or friends chatting across the room, this layout encourages connection. It turns a house into a home that feels alive and welcoming. If you ask me, it's no wonder open floor plans continue to be a top priority for modern buyers everywhere. Outdoor living spaces expanding your lifestyle. Picture this. You step outside into a beautifully designed space with cozy seating, twinkling string lights, and maybe even a fire pit crackling in the background. Feels like the perfect escape, doesn't it? That's exactly why outdoor living spaces are a top feature buyers are falling in love with. These areas are more than just a backyard. They're an extension of your home and your lifestyle. What makes an outdoor space so appealing is its versatility. Whether you're hosting a barbecue, enjoying a peaceful morning coffee, or setting up a movie night under the stars, it's your personal oasis. Buyers crave these spaces because they offer a chance to relax and recharge without ever leaving home. Add in a deck, pergola, or a covered patio, and you've got a year-round retreat that's both functional and stylish. The best part? These spaces don't have to be over the top to make an impact. Sometimes it's the little things that matter: a seating area with comfortable cushions, some lush greenery for privacy, or even a small water feature to add a soothing vibe. Buyers love spaces that feel inviting and low maintenance, where they can imagine themselves unwinding or entertaining with ease. Ultimately, outdoor living spaces are about enhancing the way you live. They give you room to breathe, relax, and connect with nature while adding serious charm to any home. So whether you're planning your dream space or shopping for a home that already has one, it's clear that the magic of outdoor living is here to stay. Dedicated home office work and productivity. Imagine having a space in your home where you can close the door, shut out the world, and dive into your work without interruptions. Sounds amazing, right? That's why dedicated home offices are such a huge draw for today's buyers. With remote work now the norm for so many people, having a functional yet inviting workspace is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. The best home offices strike a balance between comfort and practicality. Picture this: a room bathed in natural light, with a stylish desk, ergonomic chair, and plenty of storage for all your supplies. Add a splash of personality with art, a cozy rug, or some greenery, and suddenly, it's a space that feels less like work and more like a personal sanctuary. Buyers love seeing spaces like this because they can instantly imagine themselves being productive and inspired. And here's the great news: a home office doesn't need to be an extra room. It could be a cleverly designed nook under the stairs, a corner of your living room, or even a converted walk-in closet. The key is making it work for you. Small touches like a task lamp, wall-mounted shelves, or noise-canceling features can transform any spot into an efficient and beautiful workspace. At the end of the day, a home office isn't just about work. It's about creating a better lifestyle. It's a place where you can focus, grow, and even dream big without ever leaving your home. For buyers, this feature is all about possibility, and it's clear why they're drawn to homes that include it. It's not just practical, it's a game changer. Ample storage organization simplified. Let's talk about something we all need but can never seem to have enough of: storage. Imagine living in a home where there's a place for everything and you never have to hunt for that missing sweater or your favorite pan. Sounds like a dream, right? That's why buyers today are putting storage at the top of their wish lists. From walk-in closets to custom cabinets, storage solutions are all about simplifying life and keeping things beautifully organized. Think about how much easier your mornings could be with a spacious walk-in closet. You open the door, and everything is neatly arranged: shoes on display, clothes perfectly hung, and shelves for all your accessories. It's not just practical, it feels luxurious. Buyers love homes with thoughtful storage because it means they can stay organized without the stress of clutter creeping in. And it's not just about closets. Kitchens with pull-out pantry shelves, garages with overhead racks, and laundry rooms with hidden compartments all make a big impact. Buyers are drawn to these details because they know they make daily life so much easier. Imagine having a place for everything, from holiday decorations to your collection of gadgets. It's like a built-in stress reliever for your home. At the heart of it, ample storage isn't just about functionality. It's about creating a sense of calm and order. When buyers see a home with clever storage options, they see a life that's simpler, more organized, and just a little bit more stylish. Who wouldn't want that? Storage may not be the flashiest feature, but it's one of the most satisfying. and buyers know it. Curb appeal, making a lasting first impression. Imagine driving up to a house and immediately feeling drawn in. The front yard is tidy, the flowers are blooming, and the house itself just seems to glow with charm. That's the power of curb appeal. It's not just about making a home look pretty, it's about creating that instant connection that makes you think, wow, I can see myself living here. For buyers, it's often the first thing they fall in love with. What makes curb appeal so special is how much it says about the home without you even stepping inside. A fresh coat of paint on the exterior, a stylish front door, or even a cozy porch swing can completely transform the vibe. Buyers notice these little details because they show care and pride in the home. Even simple upgrades like neatly trimmed hedges or a new mailbox can make the property feel polished and inviting. Let's not forget how lighting can elevate a home's exterior. Think about how warm and welcoming a house feels with pathway lights leading to the front door or soft spotlights highlighting the architecture. Add some vibrant planters or a charming wreath, and suddenly the home feels alive and full of personality. It's all about creating a scene that makes buyers excited to explore more. Curb appeal is more than just a pretty facade. It's the opening act for the rest of the home. Buyers love it when the outside sets the stage for what's to come, making them eager to see every detail. A house with great curb appeal doesn't just catch the eye, it captures the heart. And honestly, isn't that the ultimate goal when showcasing a home? Modern bathrooms, a touch of luxury. Step into a bathroom that feels more like a personal spa than a functional space. Picture a walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, sleek tiles, and a soaking tub that calls your name after a long day. This is the kind of modern bathroom buyers dream about. It's more than just a place to freshen up, it's a retreat, a little slice of luxury right at home. What makes modern bathrooms so irresistible is how they combine style and practicality. Buyers are looking for double vanities with elegant countertops, backlit mirrors that set the mood, and underfloor heating for those chilly mornings. These aren't just upgrades, they're experiences that make daily routines feel indulgent. A bathroom like this can turn an ordinary day into something a little more special, and who wouldn't want that? But here's the real beauty. These spaces are designed to be both functional and relaxing. Imagine hidden storage for all your essentials, energy-efficient fixtures that save water, and sleek finishes that are easy to clean. Buyers love how modern bathrooms simplify life while adding that wow factor. Add in a touch of greenery or soft lighting, and you've created a space that feels like an oasis. A modern bathroom does so much more than serve its purpose. It elevates the entire home, giving buyers a reason to fall in love even before they've seen the rest. It's not just about the design, it's about the feeling it creates. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to start and end their day in a space that feels this luxurious? Energy-efficient windows, comfort meets savings. Imagine sitting in your living room on a chilly winter morning, sipping coffee and feeling perfectly cozy without cranking up the heat. That's the magic of energy-efficient windows. They're not just a practical upgrade, they're a game changer for comfort and savings. Buyers are absolutely loving homes with these windows because they make life easier, cozier, and more cost-effective. What's so incredible about energy-efficient windows is how they work behind the scenes to keep your home just right. They maintain your indoor temperature by preventing heat from escaping in the winter and blocking it out during the summer. Buyers love knowing they can stay comfortable year-round without skyrocketing energy bills. Plus, let's not forget the added bonus of reducing outside noise. Whether it's a busy street or noisy neighbors, these windows are like a built-in soundproofing solution. Design plays a big role too. Energy-efficient windows aren't just functional, they're beautiful. Picture sleek modern frames and large panes that flood your home with natural light while protecting your furniture from harmful UV rays. It's the perfect blend of style and substance. Buyers are always drawn to homes that feel brighter and more open, and these windows help create that vibe effortlessly. When you think about it, energy-efficient windows aren't just about saving money. They're about elevating your quality of life, making your home more comfortable, and even helping the environment. For buyers, it's a feature that checks every box. And honestly, once you experience the difference they make, it's hard to imagine living without them. Flexible spaces, adaptable for any lifestyle. Imagine walking into a home and finding a room that can be anything you need it to be. Today, it's a playroom for the kids, but tomorrow, It could be a quiet yoga studio or even a stylish home office. That's the beauty of flexible spaces. Buyers are falling in love with homes that offer adaptability because they know life is constantly changing, and their home should be ready to change with it. What makes flexible spaces so exciting is how they unlock endless possibilities. These are the rooms where you can let your imagination run wild. You might create a guest suite for visitors, set up a home gym for your morning workouts, or even design a cozy reading nook that's just for you. Buyers love the idea of a space that can evolve with their needs, whether it's for work, relaxation, or family time. These spaces don't need to be extravagant to stand out. A finished basement, an airy loft, or even an extra bedroom can be transformed into something incredible with the right vision. Add some stylish furniture, a few personal touches, and voila, you've created a room that feels uniquely yours. Buyers are drawn to this potential because it means they can customize their homes to match their lifestyle perfectly. In the end, flexible spaces aren't just rooms, they're opportunities. They let you adapt, grow, and make the home truly your own. Buyers love walking into a property and seeing all the ways they can make it work for them. It's a feature that speaks to the heart of modern living, where every corner of the home has the potential to be exactly what you need it to be. And there you have it. 10 features buyers are looking for in modern homes. These trends reflect how we're reimagining the way we live, combining functionality with style and sustainability. If you enjoyed this journey through what makes a home irresistible, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.